it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm still planning in my mini happy planner, and today's layout is extra special because it is the first day of school. And I've been doing this for the last 2 days, but I'm using the weekly layout. I'm using my normal weekly layout, but I'm making a few changes to turn it into a daily layout just for this week, since I had a lot going on this week. So right now I'm just covering up the other days, because I only need like one strip of the morning, afternoon, evening blocks. And I'm just putting like some leftover this is why I can't talk and plan at the same time. Alright, I guess it's just gonna be crooked. As I was saying, I'm using some leftover label paper just to cover this up, and I'm gonna put like some grid paper on top of it, but just so all those lines don't bleed through. And also this week I'm not doing voiceovers. I'm trying to just plan, like do the voiceover and plan as I go along. So it's not really before the pen this week. Like I will go and write some things after, but since it's daily and I'm kind of in a time crunch, I'm just writing in my plans as I go along, which is kind of different for me. Because I like to do before the pen, like I like to have a planning session and then a separate session. I like to have a decorating session and then a separate session just to plan. But we're doing it a little differently this week.